today I'm out at the Lake County Forest Preserve. I'm gonna see what kind of shots I can get out here. Kind of a neat area. Usually there's a marina with some boats and things in it. Obviously, probably a little cold for that. But we're gonna kind of see what's going on. Wow, the sun's really kind of getting in my shot there. Yeah, so you'll see some footage coming up right after this of what I get here. Okay, so my Mavic Mini is actually just outside my car window. I'm gonna see if I can land it through the window of my car. This is a terrible idea and I don't ever recommend doing it, but I'm gonna try it because I feel like it. Oh God. Oh, the wind is really cold. That's a success. So I finished shooting over at the park over there. Got some really nice shots, pretty happy with what I believe that I got. I'll obviously won't review the footage until I make it back home. But really excited for it. So gonna see if there's any other spots that I want to film. Still have about 50% left on the drone, so can still get a few more shots in today. And just gonna see what I can get. So I found another place that I want to film. There's this frozen lake with some trees sticking out of it, and I think that kind of getting a nice rotating shot around those trees would be really cool. So you'll see that footage now. Okay, so I just landed the drone, got back in the car after doing that. It's really cold outside, and I didn't bring a coat today, so I'm wearing like a long sleeve t-shirt, and it's 21 degrees outside. But the drone is doing fantastic. I haven't gotten a single like cold temperature warning or anything like that, which I have gotten in the past, but I think that keeping my battery to room temperature before I went out and filmed is a good thing. Last time my drone was sitting in the trunk for a couple hours before I went out. So working out really well. I haven't seen the footage that you guys just saw yet, but I feel like I'm getting much better at like these slow panning motions and kind of keeping my subjects in frame and being much more smooth about my flight. So that makes me happy. Feel like I'm becoming a better pilot every day that I fly this thing. So can't wait to review that footage, and we'll probably go over it back in the studio unless I happen to see something else interesting to film on the way back. So I found that on the way home. So we're gonna go fly around that and you'll see that footage now. So I just got done flying around that water tower. I, again, haven't seen the footage for any of this yet. Going back home right now to review footage. Drone's at about 20 to 19 or 20% right now. So I definitely don't want to run the batteries down too low because that causes damage. So I'm gonna go home, review some footage, charge it, and I probably won't get another flight in today, which is always sad, but just love flying this thing so much. Can't say enough good things. So I'm back in the studio, just reviewed all the footage and things. I was reviewing the non-color graded. I'm probably gonna need to add some contrast to some things, but the footage is looking really good. I'm definitely seeing myself become a better drone pilot as I use this drone. My motions are much more smooth. I'm able to just get more graceful shots, and that's especially clear if you go back to my first flight video, which I'll link at the end of this one with just some bonus footage I had lying around. But this drone is really good for learning. Like I said, I feel so much smoother on the controls. I feel so much better at getting these rotating shots where the subject actually stays in frame and it's not just like a bump in the yaw. And that it's starting to look really good. So I'm very impressed with my progress, and I'll definitely continue to get better. And, you know, just a little sneak peek, I might be looking to get into some FPV stuff soon. So we'll see about that. So thanks for watching. I got the end clip coming up right now. If you did like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you are interested in more of the content that I post, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.